If you have corrupted OST file, then fix it quickly before the complete data loss. Want to know an excellent solution to repair corrupt OST file? Download and use BitRecover OST Repair Wizard. It easily fixes the corrupt OST file without much efforts. First of all, read all the information written in the software interface. Once understood, click on the Next button. Now you have two options to upload corrupt OST files. The Select File option helps you upload OST files from the saved location. Select Folder allows uploading a complete folder containing multiple corrupted OST files. Here, we choose the Select File option to browse a corrupt OST from the saved location and click on the Open button. Now, click on the Next button. Mark the checkbox of the required corrupted OST file in the software interface. Click on Next button. Go to Select Saving Options list. Select the PST option to fix the repair corrupt OST file. If you have a multiple user, you can also split OST file as individual PST per user. Now, users have choice to split OST file of 2 GB, 5 GB, and 10 GB. Then, go to the folder icon to change and specify a location of the resultant files. Finally, click on the Repair button and start the process to fix corrupted OST file. Users can view the real-time conversion report running in the software panel. Once completed, a complete conversion message pops up. Click on the OK tab. The free trial edition of the software has the limitation of converting first 25 corrupted files into PST format. The software automatically opens the destination location. User can check the repaired OST file. Thanks for watching.